ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Have you ever wondered how is shrine of Golden Temple maintained? Or how do they clean the Golden Temple? Well, the volunteers at Gurdwara Harmandir Sahib, that is Golden Temple, do not use any chemical to clean, but they use soap nut, generally known as Reetha, in powder form. It is said that they boil the Reetha powder in water for 3 hours, then mix in lemon juice to make liquid soap, which is then used for cleaning. Approximately 20 kilograms of Reetha is used in the process. Soap nut or Reetha is an amazing natural detergent. They have been used for centuries and were an integral part of Indian households. They were and are still used as laundry detergent, dish and hand soap, shampoo and body wash and more. Now, do these soap nuts sound edible to you? They sound like eating soap, feeling bitter in taste, right? But do you know, Bhai Mardana ji ate them to stomach full. Let us know why and how. Guru Nanak Dev ji and Bhai Mardana ji left Gorakh Mata by helping the Siddhs gain peace, as mentioned by Bhai Gurdas ji in his War 1, Pauri 44. ਬਾਬੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਸਿੱਧ ਗੋਸ਼ਟ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸ਼ਾਂਤ ਸਿੱਧਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਸਿੱਧ ਬੋਲਣ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਬਚਨ ਧੰਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇਰੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਕਮਾਈ. Meaning, Baba has discussions with the Siddhs, and because of the energy of the Shabad, those Siddhs attained peace. Now the Siddhs speak, Nanak, your achievement is great. On the way, about 30 kilometers from Nanak Mata, Guruji and Bhai Mardana ji sat under a tree. This was a soap nut tree. There were local yogis sitting at a walking distance from them. After travelling a long distance, Bhai Mardana ji felt extremely hungry and asked Guruji, I am very hungry, Guruji. What should I eat? Guruji said, go ask the yogis for some food. Bhai Mardana ji did as told, but yogis didn't give him any food and complained, why didn't you bring your own? Seeing all this, Guruji told Bhai Mardana ji, eat the fruit from this Reetha tree. Bhai Mardana ji said, but this is Reetha and it is used for washing and it might be extremely bitter. Guruji simply replied, eat. Bhai Mardana ji, scared but having faith on Guruji, started collecting a few of the soap nut berries. Hesitantly, he put one of the berry in his mouth and was shocked to find that they were as sweet as honey. The word of Almighty has extreme power, my friends, as explained in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1399. ਕੱਚੋ ਕੰਚਨ ਪਿਓ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਗੁਰ ਸਰਵਣੇ ਸੁਣਿਓ ਵਿਖ ਤੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਹੋਇਓ ਨਾਮ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਮੁਖ ਪਣਿਓ. Meaning, glass is transformed into gold listening to the word of the Guru's Shabad. Poison is transformed into nectar speaking the name of the true Guru. The local yogis who were watching couldn't understand how Guruji and Pai Mardana ji were eating Retha, which is extremely bitter. When they tasted the fruit, they realized that part of the tree above where Guruji was sitting offered sweet Retha, while the other part of the tree had same bitter taste. Since their ego was hurt, they used their supernatural powers to make the bitter berries sweet, but failed badly. Seeing this, they fell at Guruji's feet, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji guided them towards true path, that is, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 938. जैसे जल में कमल निरालम मुरगाई नैसाणे सुरत शब्द पव सागर तरिए नानक नाम वखाणे. Meaning, just like the lotus remains untouched from dirt around it, and like the duck swims without making its wings wet with water, focus yourself on the name of the Lord, and you shall remain untouched by the 5 vices of the world. Friends, Gurdwara Retha Sahib stands there today, and sweet soapnut berries are given as prasad there. The seeds from that tree bear sweet Rethas even today. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.